there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Christian's Tips. Today I'm going to be showing you a moderately quick tutorial on how to get a pretty good mounting software called Daemon Tools Pro Advanced. Right now I'm on their official web page, as you can see, daemontools.cc. This is how much Daemon Tools cost, 34 whatever and 90 cents. I believe this is euros. I'm not too keen on my foreign currency. I don't see the dollar sign, so I can only assume, but it does cost money. And this is what it comes with, the features. Again, putting direct links in the description below to take you there. So this is what it comes with, but what most people, like I do, I use it for mounting ISO files. It's pretty easy to mount. You just double click and it auto mounts for you. So it creates a drive and auto mounts it on that drive. Really quick, really easy. So there's no hassle with this. This is why I like Daemon Tools Pro Advanced. Now, again, because it costs money, some of us may not have that money. So I'm going to be showing you how to get it completely free. So right here, Daemon Tools Pro Advanced version 5.2.0.0348, etc. This is from, again, all these torrents that I do on my videos and you know, patches, etc. They don't belong to me. Like this one belongs to IEC76. This is his stuff, and I'm gonna be showing you how to install it properly. This is the same version that I've had. I pre-installed it, used it. It's very good. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do it. Again, I will be putting Power ISO just because I have this as well. I don't use it, but I used to use it. But in case you guys want to use it or whatever, I'm putting it in the description below. This is completely free, download, install, etc. Done. So, right here, we're going to go to, this is on Kick-Ass Torrents. We're going to hit download torrent. It's just going to download the torrent file. Again, guys, if you don't have uTorrent, I'll put a description in, down below for you guys to get uTorrent. Just install it and get it. And, as you can see, the uTorrent logo's here because I have uTorrent. So just double click on it and uTorrent should pop up. Here you go. This is what you'll be greeted with. This is the cracked Daemon Tools, the executable with the README right here. So hit OK. This is relatively fast, guys. I already have it, so it should say checked or queued seed because it's, again, 24.6 megabytes. Very fast. So it'll download for you guys very fast. So I already have it here, and we're gonna double click on it. If you want to stop the torrent, again, left click, hit stop. But again, guys, so everyone else can enjoy it, see it as long as you can, so everyone else can enjoy this software. So double click on it. You see here's the crack, and I'll show what's in the crack. Here's the stuff that you gotta, you know, paste over, the patching instructions, and the Daemon Tools Pro executable with the README. Always read the README. Install program, follow patching instructions given in the patch folder. Done. Enjoy. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna right click, run as administrator. Again, guys, please make sure that your account on this computer is on your computer or whatever is the main account, because you have no idea how many times they get asked the question, I can't open this. I clicked it like you showed in the video, but I can't open it. And there's a number of things that can be wrong with it, your configuration settings or whatnot. But mainly it's just because you may have multiple accounts and you may be on one of them that doesn't have administrative rights. So that could be one. Also, maybe you set up a settings, maybe your antivirus is not letting you, so disable your antivirus, disable your firewalls. Again, nothing malicious from this. I have pre-installed this. I have Kaspersky and the cleaner malware detector, so just make sure that everything's in check. So let's run this as administrator, and we're gonna be greeted. Do you want to allow this program to make changes from your computer? Verified publisher DIS Soft Ltd. Yes. This is from the this is the official Daemon Tools setup executable. Yeah, here we go. Welcome to the Daemon Tools English. Yes, I agree. Guys, what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to not go to the paid license, because this is a crack. We don't have, this didn't come with a serial. this came with the crack we have to just, you know, copy and paste over there. So just hit trial license. Advanced edition, go standard, because when this comes in, you'll see it'll tell you like when you patch it. Let me open it up for you guys. Copy and crack. Okay, install directory, run application. It will show you standard edition. So regardless of whatever, it's going to be in standard edition. So let's close out of this real quick, and let me open up this. So just hit standard edition. That's what it's going to give you anyway. Internet connection required for successful Daemon Tools Pro activation. Do not worry about this. Hit next. We're installing. Now, did it say anything about internet connection? Install program, follow the patching instructions given in the patch folder. Done. Enjoy. All right. So it didn't say we needed to, you know, unplug our internet or Ethernet cord, or, you know, disconnect from the internet. And anyway, so I think we're fine. Just let it install. And it's installing. This is what it'll install. Just whatever comes with it. If you're really, you know, tech savvy and you know what these are, you feel free to click whatever you want. But this is what it's gonna by default install in your computer. So just hit next. Express recommended install toolbar, including, I don't like it when they do this. Hit custom installation and just uncheck these stuff. We don't want it to install a toolbar, because sometimes you know, the toolbars, they'll crash Google Chrome because there's so much information in them. So just custom installation, uncheck these, hit next, and allow mount space to use my mount statistics. we don't want that to happen. The reason we're probably going to be using this is because where we're going, we don't need this. So just hit don't allow mount space to use my statistics. Hit next. And this is where it's going to install. Make sure it's in here. And either if you have you know, Windows 32-bit operating system, if you're running a 32-bit, it'll say program files, Daemon / Daemon Tools Pro. If you have a 64-bit, it'll say ×86 / Daemon Tools Pro. So make sure it's in program files or whatever. And hit install. Again, if it doesn't say anything like this to you, hit browse and you know, put in the respected folder. So hit install, and it's installing. So again, very fast install. Okay, and do you want to install this gadget? This is a gadget that comes on the side. You can delete it or uninstall the gadget later, but for right now, install the gadget. Install. This comes you know, by default with the program. So completing the Daemon Tools Pro Setup Wizard. Do not run whatever you do. As you can see, the gadget is right here. Do not run Daemon Tools Pro. Hit finish, or uncheck run Daemon Tools Pro. Do not run it, uncheck it, and hit finish. And this is the gadget that it comes with. Oh, here you go. My other gadgets popped up. Okay, the README just install. This is the extent of this README. So we're gonna apply the crack. Patching instructions. After installation has finished, close application. Also close the desktop gadget. That would be this right here. So if it popped out for you guys, just that X, close. Let's see, kill the process of DT shell HP DXE through Windows Task Manager. Alright, now this is what I do sometimes, you know, up here on the, for you guys it'll be below, somewhere down here. I've moved my taskbar above. You right click on it, on the taskbar in an empty space, and you should see Start Task Manager. If not, hit Control Alt Delete on your keyboard, and you'll see something like Start Task Manager as well. So hit that, and you'll see Process. It'll come up with Application, but you also see Processes here. Click Processes and look on here where it says Description for Daemon Tools or Daemon. See, here's the exact thing that it's telling you. Where does it say? Kill process DT shell HLP, and it's right here, DT shell HLP .exe, and it right here, just for easy, it says Daemon. You kill that process right there by end process right here. it's going to come up with, do you want to end it to open a program associated? It might, affect your computer or whatever. Don't worry, this is just affecting the program itself. Just hit end process, and it's done. Because if you don't do this, the crack won't, when you copy and paste the crack file, Daemon Tools will not allow you to do that. It'll like block it and say access denied. So you need to end the process to do it correctly. Now that that's done, we can close this and copy the content from crack folder and paste it into default installation directory. Alright, let me minimize this. Let me minimize this and this. Here's Daemon Tools Pro. It came up with a desktop icon, and you want to right click on it. Okay, there we go. Right click, open file location, or try to find it manually in program files x86 or just program files where you installed it. But this is relatively easy here. Open file location. It's going to show you where it installed. Here you go, up here. And this is the install directory. This is where it installed. So let's go back. This is the crack right here. And as it said, copy content from crack folder and paste it into default installation directory. So we're going to right here, move this a little to the side, and highlight these two, brd.dll and dtcommonres.dll. Just highlight both of them, right click on them, hit copy, and minimize it, and then go over here. Make sure you're like on a white spot here, so as to not like accidentally install it in a folder or something, or put it in a folder. Just right click here on a white spot and hit paste. There's already a file in the same name in this location. Hit copy and hit down here. Do this for the next one conflicts. Hit copy and replace. Do this for all current items. Yes, continue. And it's copying the crack. The action can't be completed because the folder or a file is open in another program. Try again. Let me hit cancel. File is open in another program. Did I kill all the processes? Start test manager. Oh! It came back up again! Okay. I guess because I hit open file location, it came back up. So if that happens to you guys, again, do the same thing. End process. End process. Is Daemon Tools hitting? Is he popping back up again? No, I think that's it. Alright. Let's minimize this. Try to do it again. Paste. Copy and replace. Copy and replace. Continue. Boom. Done. That was it. Okay, that was the problem. As you can see, this is what a copy and replace BRD, DL, common res, DL. So, I guess because I opened file location, it popped back up. So, as you can see, it's going to give you like an error message or something if you didn't kill the process. So, there we go. It's already here. And what else do we have to follow? Patching instructions. Copy, crack, paste, installation directory, done. Delete file dtpr.dat from default installation directory. Windows 7 visitors will find this program data tools. Okay. Okay, let's copy this right here. This is where it's going to be. Windows 7 / Vista users will find this. So just copy this right here. Copy the whatever thing it says right here. Minimize it, and let's see if we can find it up here. Paste it, and this is the address, and let's hit enter. Boom, it's right here. Now we have to delete it, just making sure so we don't done goof and mess anything up. dtpr.dat. Delete that from the default installation. Alright. So this is what we need to delete. So right click on it. And hit delete. Yes. Done. Deleted. Is there anything else? Location. It will show you standard edition. Okay. Run application. It will show you standard edition. Click on help and hit license. Now click on change. Enter any serial, e.g. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and apply. Done. Enjoy Pro Advanced Edition. Yeah, I've done this, so I'll show you guys how to do the license now. Close out of this, And now just right here, here it is. Run as administrator. So it's going to run as administrator. Yes, we want to run as administrator. Daemon Tools Pro Advanced, and here it is. Right here, guys. Here we go, and hit help. License. See, this is installation name, system ID. Hit change. Hit paid license. Next. And this is a serial number, and because we done deleted the thing that checks the serial number, just type in any one of them. Just hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, any one of them, and hit activate. Your license was now validated successfully. So there you go. Alright guys, and as you can see, I'm going to use a game, LA Noire Skid Row Crack. I'm going to use that as an example to show you how to mount properly an ISO file to your virtual drive on your computer. So I'm going to double click on this, and as you can see, it'll turn all ISO files, which would normally be a gold ring if you used to use Power ISO or a gold disk. So it'll turn it into the Daemon files, or the Daemon Pro Advanced tool logo here, the lightning thing. It'll turn it into that. So that's how you know you got an ISO file. And what you want to do is, for the first time, it'll create a virtual drive for you. I already have a virtual drive here, so it's not going to do that. It's going to skip that step for me. I'll show you. I have nothing mounted. It's going to create these drives. Close out of this. And what you want to do is just right click on this, or just double click on it. For if you just have one ISO file, you want to double click on it, and it's going to say mounting image. It might say creating virtual drive, or something about getting a driver, or something along those lines. And it's going to do that whenever you want to mount an ISO file and you don't have one of these. Let's show you guys. See, it's already mounted. If you don't have one of these, if you only have this one, the driver F, it's gonna make another driver, driver H or drive H. If you want to mount another one and you already have drive H down, it's gonna make drive G or drive L or something. It's gonna continue making them, so it has to make it, and then it's gonna mount automatically, and it's pretty easy, pretty fast. But if you double click, I'll show you. If you double click on another one, it's gonna see mounting image. Let's wait a little bit. If you double click on it, and it's gonna mount on a default G. We don't want that, so we're gonna go back to number 1. And if you have multiple ISO files, just right click, Daemon Tools Pro, mount, and just hit, this one's empty, so it's gonna, I'm mounted to that, but I'll make a new one. See, add new DT virtual drive and mount. If you only have one, click this right here, and I'll show you just for this video. Click it, and as you can see, installing device driver, etc., adding virtual device. So, for the first time, it'll say that for you guys, and for multiple ones, if you want to install multiple drives, because you have multiple ISO files, just do that. And it already did that. And let me show you computer. See, it made a new one, drive I. Okay, it made a new one called drive I, and it mounted it into that one. As you can see, I left this one empty, and that's pretty much how you do it. That's how you mount it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And if you want to unmount, right click Daemon Tools, unmount, right click Daemon Tools, unmount. Pretty easy, done. And now it leaves you with these drives that it's created. I'm sure there's a way to delete these drives. Daemon Tools, I'm sure. Okay, well, it leaves you with the drives. I'm not sure how to delete the drives, but it doesn't do anything with your memory. It doesn't, it just creates the virtual drives there if you ever want to need it. So that's pretty much how you do it. I'm sure if you want to remove these drives, you'd have to completely uninstall Daemon Tools Pro Advanced. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys.